morning, traders, and welcome to today's live trading session. As always, my name is Francois. I'll be your host for today. I'm one of the market analysts here at HFM. And today we are going to look at what is shaping the markets and what we can look ahead for during this week after we saw a historic rally following Donald Trump's big win in the US presidential election. So without further ado, let's get into it. As I said, we saw massive rallies within the market last week. The S&P 500 hit all-time highs, breaching that $6,000 mark for the first time last week. This was driven by hopes of tax cuts and deregulation under Trump's presidency. Can this rally keep going, or will high inflation numbers temper the enthusiasm? Well, there is quite a bit of crucial data that will be released during this week, and that is what we're going to look at right now. However, we are currently trading just below that 161 Fibonacci extension level, which is sitting at 6,040. Let me know in the comment section, do you think that this level will be broken, or do you think that this rally will continue? That being said, let's have a look at some of the inflation readings that we will receive during this week. So we're going to have a relatively quiet week leading up to this. However, there will be quite a big lineup of Fed speakers. So several Fed officials will be speaking this week, and the most prominent ones for us to look out for, starting off on Tuesday, will be Waller, and this will be followed by Barkin and Harker. This will also happen so some of the data, so especially the talk from Federal Reserve President Jerome Powell, will take place on Thursday, and this will be after most of the inflation data has been released. He will also be joined by another one of his colleagues. So this is over here, which is Williams. That will also be, so he is the Federal Reserve President for New York, who's also going to deliver some crucial remarks. And this is definitely going to have an absolutely massive impact on the market. Why? Because traders will be keen to see if there are any hints for further rate cuts, especially after last week's 25 basis point reduction. Looking at the inflation data for the week that is lying ahead, on Tuesday, we will see on Wednesday, we will see the release of the CPI data. So that is our consumer price index, which traders will be closely watching to see what this reading will be, especially what the new economic impact will be of the proposed policies under Trump's presidency. So looking at the reports here at the moment, we are expecting a reading or an annual rise of 2.6%. This is higher than the previous 2.4%. So if Trump's policies like higher tariffs push inflation up, this could influence the Fed's rate cut path. So let me know again, do you think inflation will throw a wrench in the Federal Reserve's plan? However, CPI is not the only big inflation report. On Thursday, we will see the release of the Producer Price Index, so that is our PPI report, and again, they are expecting a higher reading, coming in at potentially 2.9% versus last month's 2.8%. Looking at potential market movements, currently looking here at EURUSD. EURUSD is currently trading just above this primary support level, sitting here at around 1.068 flat. Now, if this support breaks, we could potentially see further declines. If I'm going here on the weekly time frame now, this could decline all the way down to this next higher or next lower support level, which is sitting at 1.052. Alternatively, if this support obviously gets respected, we can look for some nice buying positions all the way back up to this 1.09 flat level. Having a look at gold, gold is also still trading within this ascending channel, currently sitting just above our support level, which is here around 2,665. If this structure gets broken, we can see potential sell-offs, maybe all the way down to 2,600. If this gets respected, we'll most probably push up to last week's highs, which is here around 2,700, and most probably even up to that next resistance sitting at 2,728. Wrapping things up here today, just one final note. We finally saw Bitcoin break that 80,000 threshold. So this is obviously because of the fact that Trump has stated that he promises to make the US the crypto capital and rolling out new crypto-friendly policies. And again, this has absolutely caused the market to rally behind cryptos and push all the way up. Currently, crypto or Bitcoin is trading at $81,147 a coin. And again, breaking those previous highs, pushing all the way up. Let me know, what do you think? Are we going to hit 100,000 before the end of the year? Yes or no? Or is this just market excitement and it's overpriced and we are looking for a potential pullback? Again, let me know. Also, please remember that inflation data and inflation results will have a major impact on these cryptocurrencies as well, and this will definitely create a lot of additional volatility within the market. And then traders, that is it from me for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for being here. I do hope that you found the information shared during the session beneficial, and I do hope to see you in my next session. I will also be trading CPI live, so please look out for those messages on our social media to see what time we will be going live, and please join me for that session to allow me to guide you through that absolutely crucial fundamental event. Traders, have a blessed week further, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.